Welcome to Few Minutes, Dr. Ajay. My today's topic is a very important topic related to COVID-19 epidemic, and that is I am today busting a myth that asymptomatic COVID-19 cases have less load of virus than the symptomatic one. So individuals, it is a research-based study that individual positive for COVID-19 who are asymptomatic, they carry similar viral loads as symptomatic patients. It was a study conducted by the doctors in US. Up to half of transmission comes from the people without symptoms. It is basically said by the Dr. Robbie Bhattacharya from the Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston, and they said that the up to half of the transmission they comes from the people without symptoms, and transmission of the COVID-19 from people without symptoms confounds public health containment strategies. That is very important. Given a wide spectrum of the disease presentation of COVID-19, ranging from asymptomatic to fatal cases, as we are seeing day to day, the investigators were keen to find out what causes the variability in COVID 19 and whether viral load can explain some of the variability in these cases. Is nasopharyngeal viral load of SARS CoV 2 related to symptoms status at the time of testing? Bhattacharya posed the question during this presentation. Answers to this question hold implications for transmission and role of asymptomatic screening, he pointed out. In a cohort study, 15,514 staff, that is having mean age of 45 years, and among them 76% were female, and 16,966 resident, those mean age was 82 years and 60% were female, at nursing homes and assisted living facilities underwent screening by RT-PCR of nasopharyngeal swab samples. Overall, 2654 resident, that is 15.5%, and 624 staff, that is 4.1%, turned out to be positive for SARS-CoV-2. Among the participants who tested positive, the majority were asymptomatic at the time of testing. That is very important, at least when the incidence is very high. When analyzed by symptoms status, the prevalence of the positivity was 12.7% and 3.7% respectively for asymptomatic resident and staff respectively, compared with 53.1% and 18.2% respectively among those who showed symptoms. Although the range of the CT values of RT qPCR were spanning wide, and the distribution was similar between the patients with symptoms and those without the symptoms, indicating the nasopharyngeal viral load was unrelated to the symptom status at the time of testing. That is important. In a large cohort of individuals screened for SARS-CoV-2 by RT-qPCR, scientists find that a strikingly similar viral load distribution in patients with or without symptom at the time of testing during the local peak of pandemic. It was observed by Dr. Bhattacharya from the Massachusetts General Hospital. Because furthermore, this finding persisted across the pre-specified subgroups examined, including age, sex, race, and ethnicity. Because the distributions of viral loads of infected individuals, irrespective of symptomatology, was very similar, existing testing modalities that have been validated for detection of SARS-CoV-2 RNA in symptomatic patients should perform similarly in individuals without symptom at the time of testing. Nonetheless, as there was no longitudinal follow-up, he pointed out that whether viral loads were related to the disease severity in later trajectory of the disease course could not be ascertained. So, friends, here comes the importance of mask and social distancing. You never know the other person right next to you is COVID positive or not, and if he has a similar viral load as a symptomatic patient, that becomes a very dangerous mode of spread of COVID-19 in India too. Thank you so much.